it's Allie and Aaron Mead here. We're going to be playing around with a 360-degree camera. Today, we are going to be using something called bullet time, which they use in movies like The Matrix and a lot of action movies. The 360-degree camera looks like this. It has a lens on both sides, so it can get all 360 degrees. Then it comes with this little fishing wire, and on one end, it has a screw, and on the bottom of the camera, there's a hole, and you just screw it in. And then while you're recording, you have to press it 3 times to get it to record bullet time. If you press it twice, it's just gonna record a normal video, and if you press it once, it's gonna take a picture. So now we're gonna go record me throwing a frisbee at Aaron and seeing if he can dodge it like the Matrix.
Fun time, fun time, fun time.
If you guys want to use this 360-degree camera that we have at our Pearsall Library, all you have to do is come to the media lab in the back of the library and get oriented on the 360-degree camera and all the other equipment we have there. Then you're able to make a reservation to take out any piece of equipment that we have in the media lab. See ya!
Dope.